Want to access all of your Google contacts on your iPhone? Whether you're switching from Android or simply using a Google account, Google Contacts makes it easy to sync, manage, and update your contacts across all your devices. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Contacts on an iPhone from start to finish. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then Contacts Accounts. Tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, make sure the Contacts option is turned on. This allows your Google Contacts to sync automatically with your iPhone. Once syncing finishes, your saved contacts will appear in the Contacts app. You can now browse all of your synced contacts in the Contacts app. To add someone new, tap the Add button and enter their information. To update an existing contact, open it, tap Edit, make your changes, and then save. Use the search bar to quickly find any contact by name, phone number, or email address. So if you need more advanced organization, such as labels or merging duplicate contacts, open Google Contacts in your web browser, where those tools are available. Whenever you add or edit a contact on your iPhone, the changes will sync with your Google account, provided contact syncing remains enabled. You'll also see the same updates on Android devices, Gmail, and Google Contacts on your computer. If your contacts don't appear, double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account, verify that contact syncing is enabled, and make sure your iPhone has an internet connection. You can also refresh the Contacts app or restart your device if needed. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Contacts on an iPhone. Once your Google account is connected, your contacts stay synced and updated across all of your devices with very little effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching.